Okay, we are going to be doing some more place value today, and I'm going to take you up to the 100,000th place. So before we begin, let's review our place value digits and how we label them. So I've drawn part of a place value chart. So on the far right, we always start with our what place? Ones, good job. I'm going to assume that you said ones. And one digit bigger than our ones place is our tens place. Good job. I feel like Dora, pausing and waiting. One digit larger than our tens place is our hundreds place. Good job. One digit bigger than our hundreds place is our thousands place. Great job. You're so smart. And then one digit bigger than our thousands place is our 10,000s place. And then one digit bigger than our 10,000s place, if we go ones, tens, hundreds, after our tens place is our hundreds, so after our 10,000s place would be our 100,000s place. Okay, so now I've written a digit in each of the places. We're first going to just focus on the top number. Okay, we're gonna look at just the top. So I have 100,000s, I have 1. In 10,000s, I have a 5. In my thousands, I have a 9. In my hundreds, I have an 8. In my tens, I have a 3. And in my ones, I have a 3. So when I write this in standard form, I'm going to write 1, 5, 9, comma, 8, 3, 3. And the way I read that, I'm going to write it in word form as well. So when I cover up just that part of the number and look at the first 3 digits, I'm going to say 159 because that's what it looks like. So I'm going to write 100. 50, put your dash, 59, 159, and at that comma, remember, we say the word thousand. So write the word thousand, and then put your comma after that word thousand. So we have 159,000, and then we have the rest of the number, 833. 830, put your dash for 3. Okay, move into the next number. When I put your comma, so I'm going to look at the 3 digits on the left side of the comma first. And when I look at those 3 digits, I see 224. Remember, at that comma, we say the word thousand. But first, I'm going to write 224,000. Okay? I'm going to write my standard form first. 224,000. And then after that word thousand, put your comma. So 224,000. And then the rest of the number, 615. Because when you have a 1 and a 5 together, that's the number 15. 615. 615. I'm running out of space. My chalk marker's thick. Okay, so now on this next one, I'm going to go from my place value chart to standard form and then expanded form. So my digits, I have 500,000s, 4 10,000s, 0 thousands, 100, 8 tens and 8 ones. So in standard form, 540,188. So when I write this in expanded form, I'm going to start over here with my 100,000s. I have a 5. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits after that. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros after that. Make sure you put your comma between the thousands place and the hundreds place. Plus, go to my next place value, my 10,000s. I have a 4. And after, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits after it, so I need 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you put your comma, again, between the thousands and the hundreds. Plus, I go to my thousands place, 0. I don't have any there, so I'm going to skip it, go to my hundreds. I have 100, and I need 1, 2 zeros after it. Plus, I have 8 tens, and I have 1 digit, so I need 1 zero to make 80. Plus 80, plus, and then just my 8 ones. So 540,188 is 500,000 plus 40,000 plus 100 plus 80 plus 8, okay? And for this one, we're gonna do expanded form again. So I know I have a 6 in my 100,000s, so I need to write 600,000 plus, I have 0 10,000s, so I don't need to write anything. I have 4,000s plus 200s plus, I have 2 tens, which is 20, plus 2. Okay, so now let's go backwards, okay? I'm going to give you so I've given you expanded form. Now I want you to look at this for just a second and think about what you're going to, which digits will go in your place of value chart when you look at this expanded form. Okay, I'm going to zoom in just a little bit. I have 900,000 plus 80,000 plus 5,000 plus 700 plus 10 plus 1. So when I look at these digits, I know I have a 9, 8, 5, 7, 1, and a 1. So this 900,000, I know that this is going to have to go in my 100,000s place. And then I have an 8, and that's 80,000. So that's 8 10,000s right there. It has to go in my 10,000s place. Let me zoom back out a little bit so you can see that. Next, I have 5,000. This 5 is in my thousands place, so I need to put that digit 5 right here in my thousands place. Of course, you have your comma. Next, I have a 7, and it's 700. So this 7 has to go in the hundreds place. Next is 10, circle rooted, and that 1 goes in the tens place. I have 110. And last, I just have a 1, and that 1 goes in the ones place. So when I look at this number, 985,711. In expanded form is 900,000 plus 80,000 plus 5,000 plus 700 plus 10 plus 1. Okay? And one more time, I'm going to go backwards again, but instead of starting with expanded form, I'm going to do a word form, okay? Give me just a second to write it out because I wanted to surprise you. I made it just a little bit tricky. Let's zoom in so you can read that with me. Okay. 823,000, and I'm sorry guys, this chalk marker is not easy to write with. 823,414. Okay, think about that. Think about what place values you see in that number. I'm going to zoom back out so that we can fit it into our place value chart. 823,000, comma, 414. So the easiest way to go from word form to a standard form is look for that comma. You see that comma? I would cover up everything after that comma and just look at the first few, look at what's in front of the comma, okay? Just focus first on what's in front of the comma. I have 823,000. Okay, well this 800 has to go in the 100,000s place. I said there's 8, so I'm gonna put an 8 right there. There's my 800. And then it says 23,000. 23,000. So write 23. 23 is 2 10,000s and 3 thousands. Okay? 823. 823,000. Good so far? Now we're going to look what comes after the comma. After this comma, you have 414. Here's my hundreds place. What digit will go there? 4. There's my 400. And the last word is 14. 14. So you need to write the number 14. But you have a tens place and a ones place. When you write 14, you have 1 10 and 4 ones. So 823,414. 823,414. All right. Have a great day doing math today.